Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Hyundai Sonata. We'll go through the simple steps to get you back into your car quickly and safely. First, always double-check that your doors are actually locked. Sometimes, a quick pull on the handle is all it takes. Then, make sure you have your key fob or the physical key in hand, as these are your primary tools for entry. We'll cover several methods to ensure you're prepared for any situation. The most common way to unlock your Sonata is with the key fob. Simply press the unlock button once to open just the driver's door. If you need to unlock all the doors, press the unlock button a second time within a few seconds. This is especially useful when you have passengers. Remember, your key fob usually operates effectively within a range of approximately 10 meters, or about 30 feet from your car. If your key fob battery is dead, or if you prefer a traditional method, you can use the physical key. Most Hyundai key fobs have a hidden key inside. Simply slide a small release button to access it. Once you have the physical key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door handle. Turn the key clockwise to manually unlock the door. This method ensures you can always get into your Sonata, even without a working fob. For added convenience, many Hyundai Sonata models offer advanced unlocking features. If you subscribe to Hyundai Blue Link, you can use the smartphone app to remotely unlock your doors from almost anywhere. This is a fantastic option if you've locked your keys inside. In an emergency, or if you're unable to use other methods, contacting roadside assistance is always a reliable choice. They can often help you gain entry safely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.